Hello creators, welcome back to Nemo Video, where you can create advertisement promo videos, you can make your shorts, you can give data, and rest will be added through Nemo Video. And yes, you can easily get no more dirty work. This is your own AI creative static script writer, Nemo Video, and I will provide link in my video description. I am going to giving you here full details. You can create your account through Google email password, and now you will come to dashboard to show you like there are two things. First is to provide clip. Otherwise you can also upload the script or what product link. We are going to use here link. We have to paste the link. I am going to create videos for this product, so I can get link here and come on the Nemo video where we have to paste. There I have pasted link, and now I am going to create product, so we have to click on it, and now you can check it is going to create our task on. You can check Nemo AI working on our Amazon link. You can also create video for your client to go ahead to viral your content. Make your best version, not copy but create new original content inspired by proven region. Nemo AI is here. That is also going to analyze what we have given the detail. Guys, now you can check it has been analyzed, and this has already grabbed the information about Rolex Oyster. This is my product that I am going to use to create video through Nemo AI. This is also pre-project this one, and there is also point and some other details. There are also information if you want to customize anything. You can also write to, or you want to change, you can also put some sentence or remove everything you can do. And next is about your target audience. You can also give them. Next you have to choose here their language, what language you are going to select. And then you can also check about ratio, like I am going to select here ratio 16 by 9. There should be duration 30 second, 50 second, or 15 seconds. So I am going to select here duration minimum, that is basically 15 second. If it is good look, then you can also go ahead mean it looks good. And now we can also proceed to the next, and then you can also check it's working on the video now. Guys, there are also some projective brief. After analysis, there is also some inspiration. You can select one of them. Here I am going to choosing here. Like this is also about the challenges. We can also choose what should be title and what should be script that we can use here. I am going to using here the first one, that is step by step tutorial. So we can also click on the looks good, and now it is also going to proceed to the next. So guys, you can also here you can chat with the Nemo AI, and now you can also see the final product. And this is also the same as there we have selected. There is also our script. So in this way you can also check how it looks like.
Stop
If
chasing
we are
trends.
going to choose, you can also check it's like working perfect. And there is also Rolex watch what we have selected, and it's working perfectly. And here you can also check the other one about if you want to use different sound voiceover, that you can also use. If you need captions, yes, there is also caption on the video. If you want to add any music, you can also do it. So I hope you understand everything about how actually you are going to create your work. If you want to export, you can also do it in this way. You can also join your option. If you want to upgrade, then you can also have an option on the Nemo AI that is also here to start your new experience. If you think this is also going to helping you, you can go ahead do your proper research on it. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or curiosity till now, you can ask in our comment box. See you soon next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.